Samantha here at Massey Toyota. Today we're going to be looking at the 2018 Camry XSE. With a 4-cylinder engine improved to a V6 engine, there's a new direct shift 8-speed automatic transmission. If your key's in range, you can just put your hand on the door handle and your car will automatically unlock. Now taking a look into the driver's side, you have a storage compartment on the door and all of your window controls are right there. You also have a Camry floor mat that clicks right in. You have adjustable seat controls and lumbar support controls and nice leather seating. So just to the left of the steering wheel, you have some pretty basic controls. Right here on the left of the steering wheel, you have your volume control, menu control, and voice command button. Now looking at the right side, you have your lane departure alert system, front car sensors, and cruise control. Now your left controls just consist of all of your headlight options, and then on the right you have all of your window wiper options. There's also a luxurious push to start key. Now go into your touchscreen main menu. You can start with your destination. You can put in any destination that you want. It'll map you there. Then you can also go to menu. You can play radio, AM or FM. You turn it up or turn it down with the little knob right there. Now if you go back to menu, if you click on phone, you can also add your phone in there, so it's Bluetoothly wireless and you can get messages and phone calls. You go to eco-friendly app, you can also see all your mileage and things like that going on with your car. The traffic can tell you what incidents are happening. You can also get the weather and also get vehicle reports. So right under your menu you have all of your heating and cooling options. You have auto, you can sync both sides, you can change the temperatures if you want to and do circulation. And down here right under that you have a USB and auxiliary input, and then you have a 12-volt outlet input. And right under that there's a wireless charging pad. I know it's kind of hard to see, but if you just put your phone down there, turn it on, it will wirelessly charge. So with this new transmission you have a 3-mode drive switch between Eco, Normal, and Sport. Eco mode adjusts the throttle input to maximize your efficiency. Normal mode blends fuel economy with performance. And Sport mode indulges your spirited side with a sharper acceleration feel. And over here you have seat warmers for both the driver's side and passenger side. Up above you have your rear view mirror, and even above that mirror you have controls to control your sunroof and other things like the SOS emergency button, so if you ever get in trouble you press that and EMS will automatically be called, which is a really neat feature. So giving you guys a little look of the passenger side, it's kind of similar to the driver's side. So you have your little compartment below and window controls, your Camry floor mats, automatic seatings for your leather seats, and the side has the glove box. Now going through your driver's side in the back, you have a window with your window control, you have a small compartment below, Camry floor mats, and leather seating. And if you actually get in the vehicle, you have a small USB input for anyone that's sitting in the back, and then you also have a small little air control for anyone sitting back there as well. And you also have a center console, so you can put any drinks or anything like that in there. And the car is kid-friendly with car seat latching ability. Now moving to the back to the trunk, if you just hold down the trunk button on your keys, it will pop right open. So the trunk is pretty standard, but if you just lift this up, there's a jack and tire underneath, just in case you run into any trouble on the road. So next, if you just pull this both on the left side of the vehicle and the right side of the vehicle, the car seats in the back flip down. So you just go back there, flip them, and then you can see all the space that you have. If you needed anything, you could lay it right across into the back, and then you just flip them back up. This Camry brings you a double wishbone style multi-link rear suspension. You also have the ability to start, unlock, lock your vehicle from a distance with the Toyota remote app. Well, that's it for our 2018 Camry XSE walkthrough. Don't forget to check out our YouTube for more videos just like this one.